Good day. My name is Mistress Goodman. We're here at East Jersey Old Town Village, and I'm with New Jersey History Alive. Today, we are going to make something wonderful, tasty, called hand pies. The first thing we need to do is to make the filling. The filling is going to include a pound of minced meat, 1 cup of minced carrot, 1 cup of minced celery, 1 cup of minced shallots, sour cherries, about 1 cup also, about 1/4 cup of fresh thyme and another 1/4 cup of tarragon, and about 1/2 cup of broth. Now that we have a delicious filling, we need to put it into something. So we're going to make a puff pastry. So you start with a pound of flour, you add about 1 teaspoon of salt and about 1 cup of egg whites. In about 20 to 25 minutes, we will have a delicious hand pie. 25 minutes later, here it is. Isn't it lovely? That is so good.